Ooh, welcome back to the channel, guys. Real quick, y'all see this? Yes, I'm getting ready to go out of town, guys. So I just rented this Chrysler Pacifica. Yeah, there go my contract right there. Now it says 2020 model, guys. 11,000 miles, I want to say. So I didn't know, guys. Well, I knew, I just didn't know that I should be getting rental cars from the place. All right, yes, we rent cars. Y'all remember that last little car I rent from Enterprise? That car cost me almost $400-$500. We rent these to employees dirt cheap. I'm almost ashamed. I don't know. That one got by me, but not this time. And look at all the room we got, guys. About 4 adults and 1 kid. So instead of SUV, which is what she wanted, end up getting a caravan, Pacifica. Now it's a thing, guys. Y'all see this? Who out there on a Ruly? Now this is 2020, guys. 11,000 miles. This, I'm not no big fan of this centerpiece, so I'm hoping this. I'm thinking and I'm hoping it's removable. Yes, it's got to go. Okay, so I'm gonna put the car seat in the rear. So little man can sit back there, and of course, and guys, entertainment. Yes, so that we will be able to watch. So it's self-contained. But y'all know me and my thinking toward rental cars. I refuse to rent a car. In fact, let's find out right now. I do not want to rent a car that's not equipped. And I'm almost certain, because it's like one of the top of the line Pacifica. Will I be able to clear this? Y'all know where I'm headed. Yes, guys. We looking for the presence. Okay, I made it. A freaking spare tire. And lo and behold, guys, if there was one, it would be right here. There is not one. Oh my goodness, guys. Look at this, what they give you. Of course, you got some headphones. Guys, what good is this if you have a freaking blowout? All right? Now, you puncture a nail in your tire or whatever, I guess there's some fixer flat or something in here. These are the wheel locks to take the wheel off. Where's the jack? I'm gonna get that centerpiece out. I guess I'll put it back here. Guys, I'll have to find me a tire. We got tires laying all over this place. Give me a tire that would fit on this axle and just put it back here. Okay, and a makeshift jack. I'm sure it's gotta be a jack around here. Do they not? They just give you this? Ruly, what did your Pacifica come with? It just came with a... So you run over a nail. Their thinking is just blow it up. It has to be a can of fixer flat somewhere around here. I don't care about neither. I'm going to tuck me a little small jack right here. A 4-way. And a donut, hopefully. If I can't find it, if I got to have a full tire, so be it. I'm just going to tuck it right here, man. I cannot get on the road without a spare tire and a card with a 1-800 number. That's my only beef. I'm going to the back used car department, see if they got a wheel, a wheel with the same lug pattern as this, and get me a spare. No, that's not sitting too well with me. Don't just give me no freaking air pump and that's it. No, man. You're on the freeway, if you're on the expressway and you have a flat, everybody got a phone, right? Well, you call a 1-800 number and they supposed to come find you and oh man, it's not cool, guys. All of that in the effort to make the van just a little lighter. It's all about weight, guys. Weight and emissions. Okay, that outweighs other safety issues. Okay, our priorities are jacked up, man. Are we more concerned with the weight of a car and emissions than we are someone's safety on the freeway? You can get back up and going if you have a spare tire. Even if you're a lady, some nice gentleman will pull over and fix your spare. Well, I've ranted enough, guys. But I will be. Yeah, I'm headed out of town. So. Alright guys, that was a bad idea. This wheel, it's not intended for this lug pattern. Alright, now let's go back here and see if we can find anything back there. Follow me, y'all. Hey, what we got here? Uh-oh. What is this? Guys, what y'all think? Look like the same lug pattern. Now this is a 19-inch tire. The ones on there are 20-inch. And oh, ladies and gentlemen, this tire is, oh my goodness. That's not gonna work. It still will work because all I need is the rim, but now I have to find a 19 or a 20-inch tire. First I gotta find out if this lug pattern will work. Cause I stick a valve stem in it right here and I'll just put some air in it. I don't care if it's balanced, I don't care about none of that. I just need some insurance that if I have a flat, I can change it and get to a safe destination. So let me go verify if this lug pattern even the same, guys. Hold tight. That don't look the same, man. Let me see. Y'all think I can hold this like this? No. Y'all know, guys. I'm gonna roll it over here. Alright, y'all hold tight, man. Damn. Well, strike two. I'm 0 for 2, man. I'm out of option, guys. I got one more shot. Let's go to the back used car department, see what they got back here. Oh. Look at that big ass bit down there. I'm out of options. It ain't gonna work. So I'm gonna be forced to take a chance, gamble with my life. I'm going out of town, man. I need a spare. That didn't work. I would have found a tire if the wheel would fit. But that don't fit. My other one.
The truck wheels definitely ain't gonna fit.
You don't think it would have fit? It's a 20-inch wheel. It would have. The lug pattern probably the same, but
yeah, you can be sitting like this.
I don't care if it's an emergency. Who cares how you sitting? You trying to, boy? I'm telling you, man. If I have a flat, I'm gonna be pissed.
Don't hit the potholes.
All right, guys. Since people want to belittle my concerns, I don't want to talk to him no more. But I'm out of options, guys. So we just gonna have to see what happens.
You should have rented a Corolla. Like.
I want something with a spare tire in it. That was my last option. I'm out of options. So put this back where I found it. We got to see what happens, guys. Y'all stay tuned.